I'm going to walk you through the post-lab assignment for Virtual Lab 1, Alkene hydrohalogenation. It's a pretty small assignment, only 2 questions. First question is going to ask you to complete the reaction. You want to start by drawing the product of the reaction. The product is 1-chloral, 1-methylcyclohexane, so you're just going to draw that structure in the box right here. And then you're going to come up with the structure of an alkene and an HX reagent that would successfully synthesize 1-chloral, 1-methylcyclohexane. To be clear, I do not want you to write HX in this box. I want you to be more specific than that. So that means I want you to write the structure of an HX molecule, such as HCl or HBr or HI, whichever one you decide is the most appropriate. Here's a really big hint right there. Please don't get this one wrong. And then you're going to come up with the structure of an alkene. If you're struggling with this particular question, I want you to think back to last quarter when you learned about the addition reactions of alkenes. Look back in your notes, look back in your book. You will find this reaction that should help you. Second question is a little bit trickier. It says no matter how long the reaction proceeds, you will always have diethyl ether. Why is it not used up in this reaction? So to help you answer this question, I want you to think about diethyl ether in the context of this reaction. What is its job in the reaction, or what is its role in the reaction? What is its purpose? So for example, this is our reactant, the alkene, and this is also a reactant. Sometimes we call them reagents, but they are still just reactants. And this is our product of the reaction. So diethyl ether is not a reactant, and it's also not a product, because these are the reactants and this is the product. So if it's not a reactant, if it's not a product, what is it? What is its job? What is its purpose? What is it doing in the reaction? Once you identify the purpose or the role of the diethyl ether, then I want you to ask yourself, does that type of molecule, does that job cause the molecule to get depleted? Does it go away? Does it get used up? Does it get converted into something else? Or does it just sit there kind of inert, not really doing anything in terms of the chemical reaction? So the correct answer to this question is not, it's not a reactant. That would not make me happy. I want to know what is it and why is it not used up in the reaction.